Hello, Card. I'm Roger here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. Thank you very much for the inquiry on our Pebble Gray 144 high roof four-wheel drive Sprinter van. This is a great choice. It has some really nice equipment. As you can see right here in the front, it has the fog lights. This van does have the 360-degree camera. And your front view camera is located right here in the grille just underneath a star. We'll come around here to the passenger side of the van. So when we built and ordered this van, we put the black wheels on it. It goes very well with the Pebble Gray. And as you can see, this van has the wood floor with the anti-slip coating, the nice sidewall paneling for it protects the walls. It looks really really nice. It's a nice fit and finish. We'll come around here to the back of the Sprinter van. So this van has the tow package. It's got the Mercedes-Benz trailer hitch. You can tow up to 5,000 pounds with this Sprinter van. Our backup camera is located just above the third brake light. This van comes equipped with the 270-degree doors as well. So right here they latch in place at 90 degrees. And they do open all the way up to 270 degrees, which is a very nice feature for loading and unloading in the back of the van. So now, Kurt, we're going to hop up in the cab of the van. I'm going to go over some nice features inside the cab with you. All right, Kurt, so we're sitting here in the cab of this incredible Pebble Gray Sprinter van. What a nice van. I'm going to start out here in the cab showing you this. This has the wireless charging tray for your cell phone. Here's a plug-in right here. You can do Apple CarPlay, or if you have a Droid, it works on the Android as well. You can get all your apps up on this really nice 7-inch display screen, and we'll go through some of this screen with you here too. So you can pair two cell phones right here, so you can have a his and hers. This van has navigation, which is really nice. You can actually shrink the screen and blow it up just like on your cell phone. And then here's your radio, so you have AM FM radio. This is also voice command. And then this has the Mercedes Me Connect system. So once that's paired, when you do purchase your new Sprinter van, it has a multimedia center that you can utilize. Another thing that's really nice in our Sprinter vans too is it will show you your fuel consumption right here. This van only has about 12 miles on it right now, so this is not 100% accurate yet. There's an app store. There's also some nice vehicle settings here. So our Sprinter vans all come with ESP, which is stability control. It's a very, very nice safety feature. It helps keep all four tires on the ground, especially in a panic steer situation or something like that. It'll use the braking system to keep you nice and flat on the ground. It also has parking assist right here. There is sensors in the front and rear bumper to help with that. Also, this van has I mentioned when we were outside, has the 360-degree camera. So I'm going to display that for you. So you can see, here's your 360. You can see all the way around the van. Nice backup camera. And I had pointed out the trailer hitch for you in the back. There's a nice yellow line right here to line up your trailer's drawbar if you are using a trailer. This is a nice wide-angle rear view. And this shows our blind spot on either side of the van, so if you're in a tight parking situation, you can check your surroundings too to be sure there's nothing in your blind spot. And there's a nice front view camera, and then a nice wide angle. Also, this van comes equipped with heated seats. The heated seat switches are right on the doors, which is really nice. This has heated electric mirrors, cruise control, like I said, voice command. Just what a really nice Sprinter van. It has the leatherette seating with the captain's chairs. Nice armrest right here. So Kurt, I'll be back in touch with you on Monday. We'll schedule an appointment for you to come in and at least go for a test drive, and hopefully we can get you into a new Sprinter van. Thank you very much. My name's Roger, and you can give me a ring at 207-838-0169. Thank you very much.